If you want to reset password for the secure folder, to be able to actually do that, we need to make sure that we have the Moto account assigned to the secure folder. So in my case, if I open the secure folder and if I tap on these three lines and then go to authentication settings actually, then over here we have secure folder recovery. And here I can use Moto account in order to be able to recover the secure folder in case I forget the account. You can of course sign into the Moto account with your Google account, so you can combine both of these accounts into one and you can easily access your Moto account just like that. So if you have the option to do so, then of course it is recommended to do that. You can of course use the secure folder recovery just like that. So then if I try to enter the password incorrectly, then most likely you will see this recover access option. So you can tap over here, verify yourself with the screen lock password or the fingerprint sensor, and then tap on continue. Then enter the email and the password to the Moto account. And over here we also have an information that if you're logged into Moto account with Google account, and if you are experiencing issues, you might need to change your password over here. So be sure to do that. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can use a Moto account to recover the access. Besides that, if you don't have a Moto account assigned to the secure folder, and now you cannot really do so because you cannot access the secure folder, then once you open settings, you can go ahead and open the security and privacy, then go to more security and privacy, and then you should be able to find the secure folder option. And here you can delete the secure folder completely. Unfortunately, you will lose everything that you have in the secure folder. But at the same time, if you completely delete the secure folder, you can set it up again and set up a new password that you are going to remember now. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.